Today I'm going to be making or showing you how to make a Watergate salad. This is a easy to make dump and go salad that's good for parties, potlucks, or just for dessert one night after dinner. Here are the ingredients I use for my Watergate salad. A 9-ounce container of Cool Whip, a pack of pistachio pudding by Jello, 1 cup of pecans, 1 can of pineapple, and 1 cup of marshmallows. There are very many variations of this recipe. Some call for fruit cocktail, but I find that pineapples are my favorite for this dessert. Okay, now this is a dump and go salad. And when I say dump and go, I mean dump and go. This is so easy. You can get your kids to help make it, or you can get your kids to make it. First thing you need to do is put the Cool Whip in a large mixing bowl. Once you put your Cool Whip in the large mixing bowl, it really doesn't matter what order you do everything in. I do it in this order. After I put my Cool Whip in the bowl, I add my pistachio pudding to my Cool Whip. And this is just so it'll have something to bind to and something to mix with easily. So I add my pistachio pudding, mix those two things together. And this is just the coolest pudding I've ever seen. Mix the pistachio pudding, and then you start adding all your other ingredients. A can of crushed pineapples, mix those in, stir it around really good. I'm telling you, this is just one of those go-to recipes. Pecans, I love anything that includes pecans. I don't know if it's pecans or pecans. I'm from the South, so I say pecans. Mix that in. Once you mix that in, you want to add your cup of marshmallows. One of the deviations that I like to do, I didn't do it this time because I'm just trying to show you how to make a Watergate salad, is because I like mine a little tart. I add a little lemon juice to the mixture, but not on this one. I just did it the regular way. So you incorporate your marshmallows in the mix, and it's really ready to go. I mean, you can go ahead and eat it now. I like to chill mine for a couple of hours, so if I'm taking it somewhere, I try to make it a couple hours before it's time for me to go. Put it in a nice bowl, and then you have your easy grab and go dessert. Thanks.